Let's see how to connect your iPhone to a projector without using cables. You see here that I have mine already connected and it's working. So it's super simple. Let me just come back here and disconnect and show you how it works. So I'm just disconnecting here, stop mirroring. And now I just need to make sure that I have my Wi-Fi available here. You see that I have this one, my Wi-Fi-24. Then I come to the projector. I'm using this one, by the way, from EvoPow, but it works with any projector that has the option for Miracast for Android devices. And for iPhones, you just need to use this cast or AnyCast, right? In this case here, I have this cast. So I just come here and I can enable the app to allow my projector to connect, right? But first, let me just double check here the network that I'm using. There we go. Just make sure that you have the projector connected to the same network that your cell phone is connected to. You see here that I have connected to my Wi-Fi-24. So basically, same network, same router, so I'm good to go. I come here to cast. And here see the information on how to come to your iPhone. Basically here, and use this mirroring option. See that I have the projector already available back there. And I just need to tap on it, wait for it to connect. Takes a while, about 10 to 15 seconds. And you're good to go. You see here, that's working. Very, very simple. Basically, that's the way you can connect your iPhone to a projector without cables, without HDMI. I hope that helps. Leave your comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.